Welcome to the Primitive Lifeways channel. In today's video, I'm going to make fire with a really popular kids toy called the Fidget Spinner. So stick around, I'll be right back with you. Alright folks, so I want to welcome you back. Now, a few months ago, I read about these on the internet, and they're extremely popular right now in the United States, and they're supposedly able to help with ADD and ADHD. It keeps the mind occupied. But when I did a little bit more research on this, I thought, you know, this thing works on a ball bearing system. I might be able to use this as a fire tool. So I want to give that an attempt in this video. And I already started, and it definitely does work. But will it make an ember? I'm not sure, because this back plate, or both of these plates, they pop out. And if the spindle goes right through the top, then not only is it going to burn my hand, but it also will prevent me from making fire, because this thing has to spin freely without friction in order for me to create an ember. So I am going to make a bow drill fire. I have my juniper tinder bundle. I have a piece of creosote for my bow, cottonwood as a hearthboard, and then seep willow or mule fat as a spindle. So we'll give it a try and we'll see what we can't do. All right, so here we go. I need to burn in this notch a little bit more. It's pretty shallow, and as it sits, I can't carve a hole in it quite yet. And this top cap, it's already melted a little bit, so I got to be aware of that. We'll see. All right. Now when you do this, don't touch that metal. It's extremely hot. But that should be a pretty good seat. And at this point, I'll carve my notch. Now you can see we have the notch carved out, and at this point, I'm going to try to make an ember. But the most important thing is to make sure that the top of your bow drill spindle matches up to the bearing absolutely perfect. You don't want it to pop that top piece out. I'm just using a piece of leather for my ember catch. I don't want this hearthboard pushing down and lifting up, so I'll just put some dirt on it. That should be good. Popped out. Okay. And again. I can feel the heat on the bottom of my hand. It's burning through. see what we got. And it looks like I got an ember. Awesome. Look at that right there. Whew, that gets hot and melted. Now we'll blow it into flame. And we have fire. All right, so there we have it. Fire with a fidget spinner. It's pretty wild. You probably have 2, maybe 3 embers in each unit. Then the plastic pieces get pretty melted. So just a fun little experiment. Anyway, I do appreciate you joining me for this video. I'm Jeff with PrimitiveLifeways.com, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.